Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create text passes through surf in Capcut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to open up Capcut, and the first thing I need to do is create a new project. And now from here I want to click onto text and then add default text, drag this into my timeline. And now I want to make this text to be about 15 seconds in length. So I'm going to zoom in, drag this across. So keep that about 15 seconds. And now I want to change the text font from system because it looks quite boring. One I like to use is Steady or Anton. Anything really bold will work. So I'm going to do Steady here. And I'm going to change the text here. I'm going to type in surf. And now I'm going to make this fill up a majority of this space here. So I'm going to keep it about that, I reckon. And now from here, we want to go to animation. And now once we're in animation, I like to use this animation called Rebound In. You can see the preview of it. This is a pro feature inside Capcut. So if you don't have Pro, you won't be able to use it. So just have a look around on what type of animation you want. So yeah, one I like to use is called Rebound In. If you do want to check out Capcut Pro, we'll leave a link in the description below where you can try a free 7-day trial. Alright, once you've found your animation, from here you want to make the duration to about 7 to 8 seconds. So if I go ahead and press play on this, that lasts for about 7.5 seconds. Once you're happy with that, go ahead and export your project to your PC, laptop, wherever. I'm just going to chuck it in my download section, click export. Now from here, go ahead and delete your work you've just been working on, and then click media, and then click import, and then import that media, and then drag this media into your timeline down below. So this is what we got now. Now from here we need footage to put this behind. So I've already downloaded some footage off of pexels.com. Pexels is a great spot to find free copyright free footage. So I'm going to go ahead and click on import here, and I'm going to use this footage like so. I'm going to drag this on the lower section of my timeline. So I'm going to press play. So I want the text to be above that. So I'm going to just change that like so. Press play. So it's slowly coming together. I'm also going to give it some audio too. So I'm going to import an audio track. Now chuck that down below. And now this is what it looks like so far. Now my audio is like 2 or 3 minutes in length, so I'm just going to drag the slider across and cut it at the end of this clip here. So I'm going to split this audio, delete the rest. Now move this slider to the front, to the start. Now from here I'm going to click onto the text, and now under video and basic I'm going to scroll down, and where it says blend and mode, at the moment it's set to normal. I want to change this to multiply, like so. So now I'll go ahead and press play. It's coming together. So now let's make this look even better. Now from here, make sure you're on the text, and then where it says basic, you've got cut out a mask. Go ahead and click on mask, and then click onto mirror. And then from here, make this fit the whole screen. So you just drag it up like so. And now you want to add a keyframe. Make sure you're at the start of your clip as well here while you do this. And now from here, go ahead and play your video. And about the 5-second mark, I reckon, or about 4.5 to 5, keep it around there. Then add another keyframe, and then drag this slider across to about the 10-second mark. 10-second mark and add another keyframe. So at the moment we've got 3 keyframes, one at the start, one about 4.5 seconds, and one at 10-second mark. And all these keyframes are mirror as well. Now from here we want to drag this like so. Just maybe move it up a tad like that. And now give it a feather. So feather it all the way. And then move this to the middle like so. And now drag this slider to about 14 seconds. Do about 13 there. And then click under video basic. And now scroll down here. And under blend, add a keyframe. And then drag this slider all the way to the end. And move this opacity from 100% to 0%. And add a keyframe there. Now the last part, we need to add an animation for out. So click onto out. I'm just going to make this timeline zoom in a bit more just to make it easier to work with from here. And now the animation I like to use for this is called side slide. This is pro as well. So I'm going to click that and then change the duration to about 7 seconds, 7.5 seconds here. And now if I go and play the video from the start, let's have a look what it looks like. Alright, once you're happy with that, go ahead and export your project. Make sure to export it in the highest resolution. And that's the end of this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.